Yep. It's cold start time. Yep. Let's see here. It's cold out here. 37. Let this run for a little bit, and then we'll see what else is going on. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you so you can see the smoke coming out. Let's see. Hey. Oh, whatever. Whatever. That means it's really cold. They ain't got enough amperes to do that. Good day. Yeah, I know what I'll do to it too. I'll hook these back up right to her. A good day. Tubes. Let's try it again. Almost there. Almost. Almost. I don't know what we'll do. Sheesh. Sheesh. Don't have to be big enough, but we'll find out. Oh man, give me a minute and I'll put it in there.